Once upon a time in a quaint little village, nestled between rolling hills and a meandering river, there lived a wise old man named Nicholas and his curious grandson, Benjamin. Nicholas was known for his serenity and the ability to find wisdom in the simplest of things, much like the river that flowed gently through their village. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow on the village, Benjamin sat by the riverbank with his grandfather. Nicholas gazed at the flowing water and began to share a story, a tale passed down through generations. "Benjamin, my dear," Nicholas began, "life is like this river. It flows regardless of the obstacles it encounters. Just as the river absorbs the fallen leaves, branches, and debris along its course, we too must learn to absorb the challenges and negativity that others may place in our path." Benjamin listened intently as his grandfather continued, "Water is adaptable, my boy. It takes the shape of its container, whether it be a mighty river or a small cup. Similarly, we should learn to adapt to the situations life presents us. Be like water, able to mold yourself without losing your essence." As the moon rose, casting a gentle reflection on the water, Nicholas spoke about silence. "Water, when still, reflects the world around it. Embrace the silence, Benjamin. In those quiet moments, you will find the strength to absorb life's challenges and reflect upon them with wisdom. Be silent like the river during the night, learning from the stillness." Benjamin pondered over his grandfather's words. The next day, as they walked through the village, they encountered criticism and unkind words from some villagers. Nicholas, embodying the spirit of water, absorbed those harsh words without letting them disturb his peace. Benjamin observed, learning the art of resilience. In the evenings, by the riverbank, Nicholas and Benjamin practiced moments of silence. They closed their eyes, allowing the sounds of nature to fill the void, finding gratitude in the simple joys of life. Years passed, and Benjamin grew into a young man, embodying the lessons learned from his grandfather. As Nicholas's final days approached, he called Benjamin by the river for one last conversation. "Benjamin, my time has come. Remember to be like water. Absorb the challenges, adapt to change, and find strength in silence. Gratitude will be your guiding light." Benjamin, with tears in his eyes, embraced his grandfather's wisdom. As Nicholas peacefully passed away, Benjamin, now a beacon